So imagine that you are, like I said, you're a boom operator and you're, looking out this window and you see a receiver come up and he's anywhere from 30 feet to 40 feet away from you. And that's really close if you think about it, because two aircraft close together is inherently dangerous. So when we go back to do air refueling, we lay on our stomachs, what's called the boom pod. And your first time, it's a little tight because you don't have much room to move around, but honestly, it's pretty comfortable. Lay out there and you get a world-class view of the world and of multi-million-dollar aircraft. So I enjoy it. It's an awesome view. So 909th, we play a big role here in the Pacific AOR because we are the only active duty tanker squadron in the entire Air Force that represents the Pacific. Our squadron motto is always there and never here, because we are always out there doing the mission, and we're never here, so it's always great to be on the road. So being a boom operator, it's a really small career field. I think there's less than maybe 1,000 active duty booms. But in order to be a boom operator, you can't be colorblind. You gotta have good depth perception and pass your flight physical as well. So that's basically it. And then once you get into training, pass all your flight training requirements, you'll be good to go off into flight suit. So it's not bad. It's inherently very dangerous, but it's also very rewarding to see something that close and support a key mission that we do out here every day.